Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Formula One car taken apart and hung in an art gallery to reveal its inner workings. Identical triplet brothers separated at birth discovered each other's existence when two met at the same college. 500 old singles versus 500 new ones. As of 2025, approximately 10,000 active satellites orbit Earth. One Amazon driver received the most thank yous from customers. Amazon rewarded him with $10,000, but he decided to donate it to the local children's hospital instead. Old versus new golf balls. This is a modified $200,000 Lamborghini Huracan that has a gyro-stabilized camera set up on its hood. It allows the vehicle to keep up with the fastest cars in the world for photo and video shoots. Moss growing on a sign but only where it lights up. Humans actually possess the protein cryptochromes needed for the detection of magnetic fields, but our brains don't seem to have any way to decode the information. A glimpse at what tulip season looks like in the Netherlands. Joker's actor Joaquin Phoenix based his laugh on videos of people suffering from pathological laughter. Botox affects your emotions. An old four-leaf clover from 1922. A man named Chris Barr, who was paralyzed due to neck injury sustained from surfing accident, was able to walk again from an experimental treatment. Stem cells from the man's own stomach fat were injected into his spinal cord to regenerate and repair the injury. High-dose vitamin D helps the body turn extra calories into muscle growth instead of fat. Theodore Roosevelt's 1880 undergraduate thesis at Harvard was titled "The Practicability of Equalizing Men and Women Before the Law," which argued for women's rights, including property ownership, and argued that women ought to keep their birth names upon marrying. 40 grams of protein before sleep enhances muscle protein synthesis for 7.5 hours without disrupting sleep. If you get a zebrafish drunk and put it in a tank of sober zebrafish, the sober fish will adopt it as their leader and follow the drunk fish around the tank. This 4,500-year-old network of ancient highways in Saudi Arabia, stretching up to 170 kilometers, is lined with thousands of well-preserved tombs, revealing the sophistication of early Arabian civilizations. Peter Principle states that if a person is competent at their job, they will get promoted until the person is incompetent at his new role. Then they remain stuck at that final level for the rest of their career. Therefore, in time, every post tends to be occupied by an incompetent employee. Scientists have found thousands of new microbes that are lurking in the ocean's deepest zone. Ajay Bhatt, the inventor of the USB, had originally intended for it to be flippable. However, that idea was scrapped due to the extra cost. Despite USB becoming the standard, he still regrets that decision. "In hindsight, we blew it," he said. There are only 25 blimps in the entire world. Nicaraguan Sign Language is a sign language that spontaneously developed among deaf children in Nicaragua in the 1980s. It is of particular interest to linguists because it is believed to be an example of the birth of a new language unrelated to any other. Don Shipley is a retired Navy SEAL, has spent much of his post-service life exposing individuals who falsely claim to be SEALs. According to the FBI, there are 300 times more imposter Navy SEALs than actual SEALs. Remember that people will always question the good things they hear about you and believe the bad ones without a second thought. In 2011, to promote the Smurfs movie, Sony temporarily painted the traditional Pueblo Blanco town of Jascar, Spain to be bright blue. Though it was meant to be a temporary publicity stunt, the change significantly boosted tourism in the area. The residents were so happy with the increase in tourism that they voted to keep their village permanently blue. Metro Man of India. The visionary engineer who revolutionized India's urban transportation. E. Sridharan, a young boy from Kerala fascinated by trains, grew up to redefine India's transport landscape. In 1964, when a cyclone wrecked in the Pamban Bridge, he rebuilt it in just 46 days against all odds. The Konkan Railway seemed impossible, rugged terrain, endless tunnels, but he made it a reality. Delhi's traffic was a nightmare until he brought the metro, delivering every phase on time. Deadlines were not suggestions for him, they were commitments, and he never broke them. Corruption knocked, but he shut the door, proving integrity and leadership go hand in hand. Awards followed: Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, but his true reward was transforming lives. Politics tempted him, but his heart belonged to engineering and he stepped away. His vision was not just steel and concrete, it was about people, progress, and efficiency. Even today, his story inspires India to dream bigger, build faster, and never compromise. Thanks for watching.